Okay, welcome. Let's get you folks set up with Vibe panels for Elementor, so you can have that buttery, horizontal side-scrolling container situation on your site. Once you have downloaded the plugin, simply go ahead and upload to install. Once this installs, just hit the Activate button, and Vibe Panels is ready to go. Firstly, go ahead and add a container to your Elementor page. I have one already, so next I'll click over to the Advanced screen on the Elementor Settings panel on the left of the screen here. I should just quickly mention that my Vibe container I've already dropped in is set to 100% width with a view height of 100 so that our panels will fill the viewport nicely. The plugin does this on the front end anyway, but for a visual Elementor building perspective, it's great to keep it clean. Anyway, next you want to find the Settings panel. Expand that, activate the Vibe Panels Enable toggle, and you're good to go. Input your settings. I'm giving mine a 10% hold start, so that the panel sticks in the viewport 10% before the motion kicks in. The same is applied to the end. I'm just going to build a very simple setup to demonstrate this in action really quickly. As I'm dropping the internal structure in here, it's worth just to point out that there is one crucial setting we didn't touch yet. This comes when I put in the next container. I'll just duplicate my first panel out and change its style and title, so we have something to actually scroll through here. Okay, so the other crucial piece, whatever the next section on your actual page is, needs to have a unique CSS ID. Mine is norm_scroll1, always without the hashtag and the CSS ID input on an Elementor container. Copy that ID out, because we need this to tell our Vibe panel that from here onwards, the page scrolls normally. Now paste that CSS ID into the end selector input within Vibe panels. Be sure to add the hashtag to the start of this one so it targets correctly. Save the page, make sure all those changes are live. Now let's take a look at that in action on the front-end preview. Yeah, nice. There we go, quick and easy side-scrolling sections for any Elementor page. Let me just go back and play with this a little more. Obviously, because this doesn't interfere with how you would build out a page, you can use whatever Elementor elements you need in these areas. You can change the backgrounds to slideshows or videos or add entry motion effects and so on and so forth. Be creative and turn scrolling into story.